Hi, I'm Joan McCreary, Certified Professional Organizer and owner of JMPO. And today I'm going to give you some tips on how to properly tape a moving box. The first thing you want to do is identify the top of the box so we're sure not to tape it. It's a little detail, but having all the boxes oriented the same way makes a difference. If you're using a U-Haul box, you'll see that there's a little tab between the flaps on the top. We want to take advantage of this feature. We're going to fold the flaps down before we open the box. Upon opening the box, and wow, look how nicely these flaps are held tightly against the side of the box. This will allow for easier packing later. We're going to flip the box on its top so that we can close up the bottom. We use 3 pieces of tape consistently. Keep the box nice and square. Protect the box from crumpling under gravity and the weight of the contents. We're going to take the first piece of tape and set it 3 to 4 inches on the side, pulling it straight over the seams, and 3 to 4 inches on the other side. The second piece of tape will overlap half of the first piece. Again, 3 to 4 inches. And the last piece of tape, do the same thing on the other half of the first strip. And there we go. This process gets a little easier with practice, but we want to end with pressing down on the tape to make sure it's sticking really well to the cardboard, and then we can flip it over. Now, after we've packed the box, we want to be sure to tape the top down properly as well. So with these U-Haul boxes, we have to break the tabs on the side of the flaps. So we'll hold one side of the flap down, and with the other hand, pull up and break the tab. Repeat that on the opposite corner, and we're ready to tape. The top of the box is as important to get square as the bottom. If we can square the flaps and the corners, your box won't crumple when it's stacked with lots of other moving boxes. We're going to do the same thing, 3 to 4 inches of tape on one side, pull it over the seam, and end with another 3 to 4 inches of tape. Sometimes holding the box against your body gives it a little bit more leverage. And there we go, a beautifully squared box, taped nicely stuck. JMPO can help you with your organizing and moving needs. Give us a call.